Hello, this is Jose Ramirez coming live from like 5 o'clock. So, we're expecting blizzard conditions tomorrow morning. Then the wintry weather will be on late Tuesday morning. So, the snow accumulation should be like 8 to 12 inches. So that was almost like a foot from the blizzard. The winds are out on the northeast of 25 to 35 miles per hour, gusts of 60 miles per hour. That could lead out to whiteout conditions for tomorrow morning. So, this is about me, my weather meteorologist for the day. Meteorologists are tracking if they have snow. Rates of 2 to 4 inches an hour. So that's the end of my video.